Hello everyone, gshock here. Today I'm just gonna make a follow-up video in regards of the giveaway that is currently going. This is the special landing page that buyee.jp created. They are the sponsor for this giveaway though, just keep that in mind. I'll add the link down in the description box to this special landing page. Basically to gleam.io, a lot of big YouTubers use this website because of how convenient it is. Let me explain a little bit on what makes this time giveaway much better, much more special in comparison to previous ones. Okay, DW-5610SUS, all the details over here. I even done a review video as well for this watch so you could see what you actually getting. This is fully brand new. I wear it just 2-3 times. Anyway, we have 7 days left to enter. This is some races down here, and you have 10 ways to do it. Okay, unlike previous giveaway where you're gonna need to have Twitter, you're gonna need to have Instagram and such, this time you don't have to own all of that. I mean, you could, that would increase your chance of winning, but you don't have to. Basically, all you need to do is sign up for buyee.jp or just subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's pretty much it. That will consider as an entries already. If you don't have YouTube account, which I'm sure some of you guys are, surprisingly, people just watch YouTube without creating an account. You could do that, you know. Just sign up for buyee.jp and you'll have 1 entries. If you do both of this step, you have 2 entries. Once you do that, you can unlock more entries down here, so you could follow me on Twitter. If you have Twitter, you could follow me on Instagram if you have Instagram, but it's all entirely up to you. The more things you do, the more entries you put in, the higher the chance for you to win this G-Shock watch. And another tips that I would like to share, why not share this landing page to your friends or families? Let them enter, and I'm sure that will definitely increase your odds of winning. And when you do, you could do whatever you like with this watch. You could share the price. Heck, you could even sell this thing because it is so good, and you could use the money to buy other G-Shock watch that you actually like. Just my opinion. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your interest. I'll be back with regular video next. Okay, cheers.